On this Windows SP professional device, we are going to be creating a simple volume. So here we have our computer management. From our computer management, we can now create a simple volume. So how do you get to your computer management? From your start menu, here we have our control panel. From the control panel, we can click administrative tools, and then you can see we have our computer management. So let me just close that. And from our computer management, what we need to do right now, you can see I have some unallocated disk. Right click on the first disk and click new volume. Click next. And we're going to actually, we will be creating a simple volume. So just click next. And as you can see, we can only use one disk. If I select this 2, I can actually add it because you can only use one disk to create a simple volume. So let me just click next, and I'm going to select the E drive and click next. So we can now call this, for example, software, and here we can perform a quick format. Just click next, and you can see actually when you look at the wizard to actually create a new volume, it's still actually almost the same as when you are creating it in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So there are not much changes, and also the disk management also look the same. If you're not using Windows 7 or Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11, definitely you can actually do exactly the same like in Windows 10 because they all looks alike. There are not much changes compared to the newer version of Windows operating system. Here you go, you can see our new volume has just been created. So if I go to my computer, you can see we have our E drive there. So this is how you create a simple volume on a Windows SP professional device in 2023. Thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.